How to analyze Facebook ad performance on your Facebook Ads Manager step by step in this video. So follow the steps. Go to the Facebook Ads Manager, select the campaign, ad set, or do you want to analyze? Use the column drop down and select performance and clicks. Focus on key metrics. Here are the core metrics to evaluate for awareness campaign: impressions, how many times your ad was seen; reach, unique users who saw your ad; CPM, that is cost per thousand impression. For traffic or engagement, CTR should be about 1% or plus. CPC should be each click cost you. The landing page view should be more reliable than just clicks. For conversion campaigns, conversion or purchases, cost per result should be lead, sales, sign up, etc. ROAS, return on ad spend, should be 3x plus. Use the breakdown menu to analyze by age, gender, placement, device or location. Compare ad sets and creatives. Look at how each ad set or ad creative performs, which audience converted best, which image or video had the highest CTR. Is one headline or CTA outperforming the others? Pause underperformers, scale up the winners. Step 4, monitor over time. Look at trends over 7, 14 or 30 days. Is performance improving or declining? A cost increasing, a conversion steady? Use this to decide when to refresh, creative or test new audiences. Step 5 is customize and save reports. Click columns, customize columns to track what matters most. Add ROAS, purchase value, cost per conversion, save the custom view for easy access. Thank you so much for watching this video.